So we got our boy, or our customer, Jake, good fellow I just met, having starting issues. He didn't think it was the battery. He said he kind of messed with the ignition coils, which I know the ground for the coils can potentially cause a no start issue, but the ground intact wasn't bad. We tested the battery. I can hear the starter relay clicking. We tested the first battery. It was at like 10 volts. All right. Okay. It was definitely having starting issues. So we definitely saw that. It ended up bad. Tested it a few different times, and like when we went to start it, it wouldn't start. But as soon as we jumped it, or as soon as we put a jump box on there, it was good to go.